Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can be replaced with the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 large rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install holders. Connect the phase Bipolar RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the phase Bipolar RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the body RF handpiece to the machine. Put all accessories into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the machine. Press the power switch to start the machine. And then the function selection interface will appear. Choose function based on your needs. Choose phase sextuple RF function. Set parameters. Time range is 5 to 60 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 3 to 7 is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Mode selection, NOR, fixed mode. The red light goes on as the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed. Pro, smart mode. The red light goes on as the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed as the handpiece touches skin. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose body RF function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 edge level is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 edge level is recommended. Constant working mode is recommended. Mode selection. Constant working mode. Suitable for those who have sick fat accumulation. Discontinuous working mode. Suitable for those who have fat on some areas that want to shape body. Apply dedicated gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones. Choose vacuum and RF function. Set parameters. 15 to 20 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 edge level is recommended. NOR mode for RF function is recommended. RF mode selection. NOR fixed mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after the stop button is pressed. Pro smart mode. The red light goes on and the energy of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after the stop button is pressed and the handpiece touches the skin. Suction time range is 0 to 2, 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time range is 0 to 2, 0.1 to 0.8 is recommended. Please note, suction time should be always longer than release time during treatment. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at the status of the constant suction. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area and wait for the cream to liquefy before treatment, otherwise there will be blockage. Press button to begin the treatment. There is a knob for adjusting suction on the machine. You can use it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. You can set the suction time and release time manually and also choose the preset suction and release mode. Mode 1 is recommended. Mode selection. Mode 1. Constant suction mode. Suitable for those who want high-intensity cupping therapy for detoxification. Mode 2. Low frequency release. Suitable for those who want massage for relaxation. Mode 3. Discontinuous working mode with higher frequency than Mode 2 release. Suitable for those who want low-intensity cupping therapy and massage for detoxification. Mode 4. Discontinuous working mode with higher frequency than Mode 3 release. Suitable for those who want lower intensity than Mode 3 cupping therapy and massage for detoxification. Mode 5. Discontinuous working mode with the highest frequency release. Suitable for those who need massage for detoxification and want to promote circulation. Choose hot and cold function. Set parameters. 5 to 10 minutes is recommended. 3 to 7 edge level is recommended. Mode selection. Cold mode can soothe and repair skin, relieve acne, and contract pores. Hot mode can expand pore size and help with nutrient introduction. Apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose Phase Bipolar RF function. Set parameters. 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. 37 NS level is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Apply RF cream evenly to the target area before treatment. Press button to begin the treatment. Press Bio function button. Working time 10 to 15 minutes is recommended. Bio NS level 3 to 7. M1 mode is recommended. Note: adjust the NS level based on individual endurance. Mode selection M1 constant working mode. There's constant energy release. M2 discontinuous working mode. There's discontinuous energy release. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece: wave, light with a certain color flashes, mode or on, change the color of the flashing light, or turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically, off, turn off the light. Something about photon therapy. Red light can help with skin firming and anti-aging. Blue light can help kill bacteria and relieve acne. Green light can help calm and repair skin. Yellow light can help fade spots and brighten skin. Purple light can help remove acne scars. White light can help regulate grease secretion. Turquoise light can help promote metabolism. Apply face essence before treatment. It is recommended that you should apply face mask and take the treatment at the same time. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose proper working mode based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric currents are not recommended to take the treatment. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.